Hi, everyone. My name is Jamie Aliperti. I'm a Director of Solution Engineering over here at Opaque Systems, and I'm going to take you through a little bit of a demo today to highlight some of Opaque's capabilities for confidential AI. This is a RAG use case that we're going to show you how you can get it to life pretty quickly. Now, what you're thinking probably when I'm talking about RAG is that these type of use cases, especially when it comes to sensitive data, are going to take months, if not a whole year, to bring into production. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do that in minutes with the capabilities of Opaque. So let's start in the interface, taking a look at a workspace. Today's demo will be focused on workers' comp fraud, where we're able to generate analysis to understand fraud risk for different workers' comp employers. So if we look at the overview, we're going to see we've got data sources, we've got agents, we have a model, and we've got workflows. Now, when you connect the data source to Opaque, the data is encrypted, and the person who connects the data source holds that encryption key. All agents that are used in the workflow are attested and verified through hardware attestation with the capabilities that are available through confidential computing that Opaque is built upon. So let's look at this workflow, and we have a few things here in the asset section. We've got the data sources that are connected that we're going to be working with. We're taking advantage of a Llama model, and we have a handful of agents that are available to generate this workflow. These agents are all going to be attested, and the attestation process verifies their authenticity and then that they are who you think they are when you're interacting with them. So that's very important when it comes to sensitive data. You don't want your data interacting with agents that aren't attested because you don't know who's running them or what they're doing. So let's go into the workflow. We'll focus on the employer report file generation. This workflow starts with a chat input that provides instructions to generate the report. That report generation agent has access to the Llama model. It generates Python code to do merging and formatting to actually create the report. There's a data retrieval agent, the Python executor, and this is saved to a workspace. And then there's also a SQL agent that will save the results to a database. So pretty simple to string together a handful of assets that can be agents and data sources in order to create one of these workflows in minutes. But the most important part is the verifiable audit log. So you need the proof that the data was protected end to end. It was encrypted, and all the processing was running in Opaque's trusted execution environment. So these audit logs are signed by the CPU or GPU, and they can be verified using third-party tools to prove that no one saw the data, not Opaque, not the hyperscaler Opaque is running on, not anyone who created these workflows. The data and the agents are completely protected. So that enables these RAG use cases that are typically taking months to get off the ground, if not a year. And you can get them off much quicker because you have these verifiable audit logs or receipts that you can share with those compliance officers internally or externally to prove the fact that the data is protected. Thank you very much, and you'll see more demos like this coming in the future.